Why is everyone looking at me? Did I do something strange? Never mind. What? Nothing. Is something on my back? I do not know. This is strange. It is still there. Do not tell her. Why is everyone smiling?
Look at Emma.
Why is everyone behind her?
Let us find out.
Why did everyone stop? This is getting funny. Did you feel that? Feel what? Something moved.
I think I know the secret.
Do not laugh yet.
Tell me. I cannot. Why not? Ben, please tell me. I want to, but I cannot. That is not fair.
She still does not know.
It is very funny.
Just a little longer.
Look! It is dancing! Follow it! Why is everyone behind me? Hello, puppy! It likes you. I like it too. What are you looking at? Maybe ask the puppy. Very funny.
Little girl, did you win that balloon?
What balloon?
Oh, never mind.
There it is again! Did you feel it? Yes! Yes! Wait, what is this? You found it!
Look carefully.
There is a string. Keep pulling!
You are almost there. Almost there.
A balloon? On my backpack? That is the secret. Everyone looked at me. Yes, it was funny. You knew! I tried not to laugh. You almost did.
Now it is yours.
Thank you, Dad.
It looks perfect.
Bye, everyone.
Have fun.
Sometimes.
Small surprises bring big smiles.
This was very funny. I will never forget today.
A happy surprise can make a day special.
I am glad everyone smiled.
So am I.
Did you guess the secret? Huh? When did you know? Tell us. Write your answer in the comments below. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for learning English with us.